Welcome to our channel. If the Blue Apron app isn't working properly or you're encountering errors when trying to place or manage orders, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the issue. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to the Apps or Application Manager section. Find the Blue Apron app in your list and tap on it. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If problems continue, also tap Clear Data to reset the app. Step 3. Force close the Blue Apron app from your device settings, then swipe it away from your recent apps to ensure it's completely shut down. Step 4. Check that you have a stable internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if connectivity is the issue. Step 5. Go to your App Store and search for Blue Apron. Check if there's an update available and install it to get the latest bug fixes. Step 6. If you're having order errors, verify your delivery address and payment information are correct by logging in through the Blue Apron website instead of the app. Step 7. Make sure your account is active and your subscription isn't paused or canceled. Check your account status in Settings. If the app still doesn't work, uninstall it completely and reinstall from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then sign back in and try placing your order again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.